Hello, in this video I will show you how to pair your SONY WH-H900N to Android smartphone. And we'll be connecting it through the headphones app as well as just normal Bluetooth. And the first thing to do is to make sure that your headphones are powered off. So mine are powered off. You can check my previous video or just hold the button till you hear the power off notification. Now let's power them on and keep on holding the button even if you hear power on to enter pairing mode. Now we're in the pairing mode and we can go on our phone and enter Bluetooth settings. Here locate your headphones in available devices. It's this one. So we'll enter pairing mode and they are connected. Now to connect them with app as well, you need to get the headphones app from a Google Play Store or any other store that you're using on your phone and open it. If everything went right, you should already see that your device is detected and registered. You simply need to click on OK. If not, then there should be a plus button in which you can add any other devices. Click on it and it should detect your headphones. You can sign in or create the account. I'm gonna skip it and just proceed. So you also can optimize your headphones with 360 reality audio setup. So I'm gonna skip all those steps, but you can go for it. Simply follow the instructions on your screen. Now we can go to the dashboard and here's our settings for this pair of headphones. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.